Welcome back, friends, to your Techhandy channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. This video is part 1 of Active Directory migration from Windows Server 2008 environment to Windows Server 2016. First, we will review Active Directory migration checklist. Second part, we will perform RODC01 migration from Server 2008 R2 to Server 2016. At third stage, we will review roles and perform DC02 migration from Server 2008 to Server 2016. Next, we will check DC01 holds any role, migrate them and perform DC01 migration from Server 2008 to Server 2016. And finally, we will verify the environment after the migration is complete. Evaluate your business requirements for Active Directory migration. Perform an audit on the existing Active Directory infrastructure to verify its health. The detailed implementation plan is required. Engage teams as per project requirements. As per plan requirements, prepare the physical or virtual resources for the domain controller. Install Windows Server 2016 Standard or Data Center, according to business need. Patch the servers with the latest Windows updates. Migrate the application and server roles from the existing domain controllers. Migrate the FSMO roles to the new domain controllers. Raise the domain and forest functional levels after successfully migrating. Verify new domain controllers to the existing monitoring system. Depending upon your company's place monitoring, it can be SCUM, Dynatrace, or any other monitoring system. Test new domain controllers to the existing disaster recovery solution. Decommission all the old domain controllers after keeping a certain period. Ensure they will remain powered off. Last but not least, perform ongoing maintenance, such as group policy review, performance, health, identifying and fixing Active Directory infrastructure issues, and more. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.